Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and sorry about the lighting's horrible, but in these videos that I'm about to show you, these two were one of the tractor pulls that I did on Friday on the 9th, I think, I don't know, but this was one of my tractor pulls that I did, and I really hope you guys like these. I hope I gain some subscribers and stuff from this. But I'm going to keep on doing videos like this. I'm going to post a couple on my other channel from my GoPro viewing points. But yeah. So the first one that I did a little backwards. This one was after the second one. But the first one I did, I think I got a 128 on this one. My tractor isn't running right. If it would be, I would have had a longer distance, but I had a 128. The first one, I think I had a 125, or the second one I had a 125, sorry. So let's just get into the clips right now. Killed him.